So Mission Conception is still being used today, and this room is still currently in use. If you'll notice the signs, candles are available on Sundays, only smokeless candles. That means that they're still using this facility. Please don't write on the wall. The Historical Association put in a lot of work to try to restore this building to its former state. And if you look around the walls, you can see places where the previous artwork has been restored. Especially up here along the archway, you're seeing the original artwork that was placed on this building, as well as way up here in the top where the ceiling is, and that hook that comes down out of the ceiling, that is where you ring the bells.